I'll show you step by step how to create AI blog posts for your Shopify store so you can get a lot of content out quickly. And to note, you can use any AI tool you want, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, or anyone you want to use. This prompt is going to work the same. So let's get right into it. I'll show you the prompt you can use to go and create these AI blog posts. And I've left room as well, so you can insert the topic as well as the SEO keywords you're looking to rank for. And to note, I can't guarantee any results with this. All of this is generated by AI. This is just a prompt you can use. So with AI prompts, there are two things you always want to include to make sure it's a stronger one. And that's you want to give the AI an actual title. And so here we've given it, you're an expert blogger, and you have a world-class understanding of SEO, ranking, and writing engaging blog posts that hook the reader. You also want to make sure you're giving it a goal. So the goal is to create an amazing blog post for my Shopify store that help converts and educates readers about my products. And then we can layer in the instructions. So I'm not going to read all of this here as it's quite a few words. I've also included the writing style here to try to make it sound a little more natural. And so I'll leave this prompt in the description below. Let's just go and test this out. Now, again, you're using this prompt at your own risk and everything associated with that. So let's say this is a camping store and I want to talk about summertime camping with my family and how you can have a great trip in 10 steps. This is what I inserted here. It's keywords. You probably want to do some research here, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to say camping, tents, I don't know, family tents, something along those lines. Let's head to an AI tool here. I'm just going to use ChatGPT for this video, and let's actually copy and paste this in and get our feedback. It's currently testing a new version of ChatGPT, so it's going to give me 2 example responses. Let's just look at the left one here. You see it's generating a listicle sort of list. Maybe with these, we would want to include images for each point as well. And so I've just selected one of the responses. And this makes it super easy. We could just take this and then paste it into our Shopify store's blog. Let's just go and do so. I'll head to my admin, go to blog posts, we'll create a new post. Let's just paste this in. Let's remove some of these ChatGPT sections and you give it a title here, which is the one here. So let's hit save. And if we preview it, overall, there are some formatting issues that we need to fix, but overall, that's quite a few words in just a few seconds using any AI tool. And so really, it's as simple as that. I'd probably take the time as well to go and add images or use this tool like Unsplash. Right here, as according to them, they have copyright-free images, although I double-checked those terms as they may have changed from last time I used them. Alone, a really great starting point as it makes it really fast to write content, especially if you're a solo Shopify store owner. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different analytics, metrics, and charts so you can start making smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of how your store is performing. Makes it really easy to see what products are doing well and how much money you're actually making. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store and just search for Profit Calc and then look for this logo in the top left here. And so this concludes the video here on how to create an AI blog post. Overall, it takes just a few prompts with ChatGPT or any AI tool. There you could refine it, you could add to it, but it makes a really great starting point and it makes it really easy to push out content. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but I'll leave the prompt below in the description as well.